At Alchem, we believe that empowering women is not just about creating opportunities. It's about nurturing growth, confidence, and leadership. On this Women's Day, we celebrate the incredible journeys of our female employees, who have not only advanced in their careers, but have also grown as individuals, embracing new challenges and breaking barriers.
Joining Alchem has been a truly transformative experience for me. The transition from sales to marketing was really smooth and seamless just because of the trust and the opportunity provided by the leadership. Throughout this journey, the mentorship of a manager played a key role. He was not only instrumental in my strategic thinking, but he also helped me navigate through the cross-functional responsibilities. The collaborative environment provided here continues to fuel my evolution, and yes, I am excited for what future holds for me.
It's an amazing journey working with Alchem. I have been working in regulatory team. Here I have a great work culture, leaders, mentors, they are guiding me in the right path in all the aspects. I have joined Alchem as a fresher, and today whatever I am is because of Alchem only. Alchem has given me a lot of opportunity to connect with cross-functional teams and leaders, which enhanced my lot of skills.
Alchem has recently introduced a Crèche facility which has helped me balance my professional and personal life as a mother. Alchem has always supported women empowerment, and it has played a significant role in my growth both professionally and personally. I am truly honored to be a part of Alchem. Thank you.
I am from Quality Control Department. At Alchem, I have experienced a growth in a way I never imagined. The work environment here encourages continuous learning through structured training programs and real-time challenges. I have enhanced my skill and confidence. The mentorship and exposure I have received have helped me evolve into a more confident professional ready to make a new challenge.
With the help of my seniors, colleagues and my managers, my journey has been very incredible, and I'm very thankful for that. Here the working environment is very great. There is no gender bias, and women are encouraged to do more and help our organization to have better future in the coming years. Thank you.
I experienced my most wonderful as well as most difficult phase of my life, that's motherhood at Alchem, and I handled my personal as well as professionally very effortlessly, all due to organization as well as management. So thank you very much. Organization provided me an opportunity to develop my own skills, own learning skills as well as communication skills in each and every field of my professional way.
I have associated with Alchem from last 7 years, and I have encountered with opportunities, learning, project and overall growth. The project Shine has sharpened me personally and professionally. I have learned here to deal with different type of personalities to get a win-win situation for Alchem. I would like to thank management for providing Crèche facility at the MUN unit along with me. My baby girl is also growing up here. Looking forward to Shine with Shine project. Thank you.
Hi. As I reflect on my career at Alchem, I can define it by growth, resilience and the constant pursuit of inclusive excellence. I have been fortunate to work within an organization that not only values diverse perspective, but actively cultivates an environment where every voice matters. Not only I was asked to present my opinions, but also was empowered to take decisions on them, which is quite rare to find. The transformative power of supportive leadership and mentorship. Thanks to my seniors who were always there as support and always appreciated my work as well. Alchem fosters all the elements that have empowered many, including myself, to overcome challenges and achieve milestones.
Alchem is the organization that has not only shaped my professional career but also nurtured my personal growth. The work culture, opportunities, and the constant encouragement to learn made me realize the value of this organization. I am grateful to be part of this organization and look forward to get many more opportunities. Thank you.
Also, I have been provided with a lot of opportunities to improve my skill sets. So I feel very grateful and thank you so much for providing me such a beautiful opportunity.
Alchem has provided a positive and enriching work environment for both personal and professional growth. I have had great opportunities to learn, take a part in decision making, and work on meaningful projects. The mentorship and guidance from the leadership have been invaluable, helping me to gain new insights and exposure. Interaction with senior leaders and cross-functional collaboration have further enhanced my skills, which help me to contribute more effectively for the organization.
Being working woman, it is quite difficult for me to set boundaries between professional and personal life. However, thanks to Shine initiative by Alchem, where I can get time between my household chores and
I would like to take a moment to appreciate how Alchem has played a pivotal role in my growth, both professionally as well as personally. Since the day I have joined Alchem, I have been surrounded by a culture of mutual respect, inclusivity, and equal opportunities. The management here at Alchem encourages women to take on challenges, share ideas, and step up into the leadership role with full confidence. Today, I'm proud to be a part of an organization that supports and truly empowers women.
These stories are a testament to the strength, resilience, and ambition of the women at Alchem. Their journeys inspire us all to push boundaries, embrace opportunities, and continue striving for excellence.
I am here to shine.
I am the change.
We are